travel with me.
Hey fellow humans, Mina here. Oh my god, so today is kind of like an extra bonus video, but it's not a bonus because it's coming out the same time as every other week, but like, nerd! My book came in the mail. My book. Like literally, my book. South. Came in the mail. Like my author copies, you know, my proofs, just to make sure they're all good. And we're gonna open it today! They're in this box! And I can't wait to open it! Let's go to it right now! Okay, so I actually forgot to unbox, but look at this. The paperback of South. Sorry for the light glare. I don't really have a good light, but like, look at this bad boy. Yeah. Oh, it turned out so beautifully. So this is the paperback, and I'm really impressed with the quality. Look at that. Yes. I did the formatting myself. Did you like it? What? And now we have the beautiful hardback. Oh, this one's extra gorgeous. I mean, yes, they're both technically the same, but this one's got this nice dust jacket. And oh, look at that author photo. What? Oh, sorry for the glare. Again, it's all really nice on the inside. I love the formatting. It just turned out so well. And if you take the cover off, the hard book still has the same cover, so that's dope. I really like this. So yeah, get yourself a copy of this bad boy today. So yeah, look at these bad boys. They turned out hella amazing. The quality, top notch, not gonna lie. If you want to get yourself a hands on the paperback or the hardback or even the ebook, which is also available for pre-order, check the link in the description down below because you can win a signed copy of one of these bad boys, and it's going to be the hardcover, by the way, which is top-notch quality. Hi, Soren. Even Soren's excited. So yeah, not only can you pre-order one of these bad boys right now, but you can enter the pre-sale giveaway to win a signed copy of one of these, or a signed copy of A.T. Duguay's The Guardian. And this is a nice thick boy. I've read it and it's amazing read. It's from a series. This is book 1. Book 2 hasn't been released yet, but we're looking forward to that. Also, this novel has been re-released in a fancy new cover. I don't actually have that cover, but you will probably get the fancy new cover, and it's really nice. I've seen it. So yeah, enter the pre-sale giveaway, win cool stuff, including the mother flipping Kindle. Right, Soren? That's my girl. Anyway, that's all I gotta say for now. If you want to keep hearing more about South, be sure to follow me on all your favorite socials. Links below. Stay safe and take care.